just one more piece.
Oh, where is it? Here it is. Constructor is a great game. Shoo! Charlie will definitely like it. I must hurry. He is probably tired of waiting for me. Hi, Heidi.
Hi, Bimmy.
What are you doing?
I want to show everyone my new dance. But the play button is broken and I can't turn on my music.
Wait, we'll come up with something now. Idea!
Fix the boombox for Heidi. Transfer the button of the correct shape to the boombox. Excellent. Oh, it seems the boombox needs to be tuned. Use the tuning control to set up the boombox correctly. We did it!
Just one more piece. And it works!
Hooray!
Hey, Ben! How's your day?
It looks sunny, but I have to be careful. Nobody knows when it will rain.
Are you afraid of the rain?
My plant is afraid. It came from the desert. It should not be watered more than once a year.
Why don't you take it to the house then?
You see, it blooms, which means it needs fresh air.
So, you can't come with us to visit Charlie?
Wait, we'll come up with something now. Idea!
Make an umbrella to protect the cactus from the rain. Move all the constructor details to the silhouettes. Great! The cactus will be fine now.
Just a couple more pieces. Now you don't have to worry about your cactus and can come with us to visit Charlie.
Guys, stop! Be careful!
Hi, Nicole. What are you doing here?
I was walking, and then, look!
Oh, an ant trail. They are so tiny.
Yes, I almost stepped on them myself, and now I'm standing guard so no one accidentally crushes the ants. So you can't join us?
Wait, we'll come up with something now. Idea! We need a bridge.
Build a bridge for the ants. Move the correct piece to the beginning of the bridge. Cool! You need 3 more pieces. Excellent. 2 pieces remain. Great job! The last piece remains. The bridge looks good.
Come on, help me.
Oh,
Ah! Thanks, guys!
Oh no! Charlie is waiting for us to play with the constructor pieces, but there is nothing left.
don't be upset, Bimmy. We will definitely come up with something.
this is what happened.
Look, Charlie! Bimmy helped me to fix my boombox using the constructor kit.
He made a rain canopy for my cactus.
And he built a bridge for the ants. What's the matter, Bimmy?
You see, I've used all the pieces.
Bimmy, but you are a real hero to your friends and brought us all together. It was the best thing that you did.
So you're not upset?
Of course not, buddy. Hooray! Now let's dance.